Father bless me, boy. Father bless me, yeah. Father bless me, boy. Bless me, yeah. The blessing of Jah will always reveal, shining bright like the stars in the sky. Now it's time for us to keep over trying, 'cause Jah, I know He's always there. Father bless me, oh, Father bless me, Father bless me, oh, Father bless me. It's like the garden of the 12 tribe of Israel. We grow many roses in many colors. Yeah. We water it to let it grow. Seeds and buds now a better show in the beautiful garden where it flows. Father bless me, oh, Father bless me, oh, Father bless me, oh, Father bless me. Now is the time for us to live in love, yeah. And let this love light shine all over the universe. Let no man shall let down the sail, 'cause love is there, so we can believe it. The light of Jah will never go out. The light of Jah is shining over us. Father bless me, oh, Father bless me, Father bless me, oh, Father bless me.
Giving thanks for the breath of life.
Father bless me, Father bless me, oh, Father bless me. Go now, the light of Jah will shine so bright. Now it's time for us to do go down. Just like His garden, the rose and flowers, shining so brightly all over the world. Father bless me.
Father bless us. Yes. 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 Greetings. Bless, love. Greetings. We are here in a Switzerland, Zurich. Yes. At Magda Selecta Place. Damos gracias, bendiciones, salutaciones, bienvenidos, salam, greetings, welcome, willkommen. Hey. We are giving thanks today because we can meet here and we can keep on sharing this love. Yes, all over the world, from Switzerland. I'm very blessed and grateful. Togetherness with Magda Selecta out of Peru, Cusco Reggae, Peru. Salutaciones. I am very grateful. Yes, Angle by Fall, aka Melody out of Senegal. I am very grateful. Yes, I am very grateful. The Flam out of Switzerland with beautiful violin. Stay tuned. Gonna be a beautiful Sunday session. Dope wise. on the rooftop. It's cold in Switzerland, and I am very grateful. Yes, we are sharing vibes with Billy. Yes. This is a blessing. In this time, we can get together. Damos gracias. Salutaciones, bienvenidos en Cusco, Perú, en México, toda la comunidad del DOP. Bendiciones. Damos gracias. Nos encontramos hoy desde la fría Suiza para compartir amor, para compartir la música. Decimos que bendecidos son los cantantes y los que tocan instrumentos. Yes, blessed are singers and players of instruments. We give thanks. We start with Michael Prophet. Father bless. Yes. Are we ready for worship? Estamos listos para la versión. Damos gracias. Yes.
Bless me, oh, Father bless me, yeah. Father bless me, oh, Father bless me, yeah.
All over the world, for all brothers and sisters passing through tribulation, as we pray and meditate for the whole humanity, all human beings, all sentient beings, for Mother Earth, we pray in this time. Rough times, we give thanks for the strength, and we keep on sharing positive vibration. We give thanks and we say Jah Rastafari. There is a little feedback here. A little feedback. Magda selecta. Check this out. Okay. We're going with the next one. That was beautiful. our beloved Michael Prophet, rest in peace and power of the Almighty. Abednego Records every time. Bless up. Yes. And gratitude. We're going with Alasha Recordings. Gratitude same way. Beloved Blood Shanti, beloved our Shanti Sila. Yes. Okay. We're going with that tune called Open Road. Yes, Chantiites meet in a oneness. Emmanuel Joseph. As we keep on sharing this love. Hola, North Star. Yes. It's the right tempo there. Give thanks.
Sing again. Everybody have their own agenda. In all you do, just remember Jehovah. No wicked heart shall enter the kingdom of Jah. Rastafari. And who are control this world better know that every time you see the colors of Jah rainbow, that is Jah promise to lead his children to Mount Sinai. Now Jah just sent down his warning, and he sent down his messengers too. But you know he took Jah warning.
Saying Ras Judah, bless up with gratitude every time. Yes. Genesis Tafari in Miami. More love, everybody, Millicent, everybody who is tuning in and sharing this love. Damos un gran saludo a la comunidad mexicana Sound System, yes. Respetos, salutaciones a Randy Man, salutaciones Cusco, Perú. Salutaciones en México, salutaciones.
Now Jah just sent down his angels to watch over each of his children. We must rebel against the Babylon soldiers, but keep within the laws of Allah. Though we live in a Babylon system, don't get caught up in the things you're surrounding. Open up your third eye and see that your days can be longer. So high. Jaja, open road. Sing along, Chile. Jaja, open road. Jaja, open road. Sing Jaja, children, high, Jaja, open road.
Yes, we give thanks. Jah open the road. Yes, ya abre los caminos. Damos gracias. Está frío. pero nuestro corazón se calienta con esta linda música. Compartimos este amor desde la Switzerland. Hey, yes, are we ready for version? Yes, yes, el flan. Come and give us some beautiful violence vibes. Yes, we give thanks.
Our Jaja open road. Sing again. Our Jaja open road.
Open roads. Yes.
Everybody have a their own agenda. In all you do, just remember Jehovah. No wicked heart shall enter the kingdom of Jah. Rastafari. And who will control this world better know that every time you sit the
blessed are singers and players of instruments.
Jah promise to lead his children to Mount Zion. Now Jah said
Vamos a ponerle concha. Ay, ay, ay. El flan, out of Switzerland. Billy, out of Switzerland. What a bless. Angel by Fall is here, same way, Magda Selecta. And Norsta Chris Electris. Bless it up the place. Bless, 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 bless. Bless love and goodbye far out of Senegal. Ja Melody. Give thanks. Open roads. Yes, we give thanks. I don't know if you can keep on playing until I found that tune. Ay. This is so beautiful. Beautiful cherries. Okay. Home. This is a beautiful, beautiful tunes. Psalms from the heart. Valacha Recordings, yes, Chantiites and Emmanuel Joseph. I'm always so grateful with Valacha Recordings, Blood Chanti, and our Chantiai, and Chantisila, and Sister Havisha belongs to the Chantiites family, yes. Very grateful all the time. We're going with a tune called Praises Jah. This one is beloved Marcus God. Autas Calendone. Is that the name we say? I don't know. Sometimes we don't know how to say things. Try. Okay. Ronnie Top Selector. Y damos saludos a la comunidad mexicana. Damos saludos, Randy Man. Ok, saludos. Saludos en Cusco, Perú. Bendito amor en la casa. En Colombia, toda Latinoamérica. Hola, desde Suiza. Con mucho amor. Comunidad mexicana del Sound System. Hey. You hear? Marcus God. Only one father, only one mother.
To stand firm in life and to no one's foundation. To be righteous and letting one's heart from corruption. Man, I never dwell in unworldly confusion.
Say sure.
And I never take part in no competition. See Jah, the one and only Father. See Jah, I know thy love is forever. See Jah, the one and only Father. See Jah.
Yes, I beloved Marcus God out of Caledonia. Cusco, Peru! Che Madame. Rasdante. En Nueva York, bendiciones. En México. Colombia, Miami. Etiopía. Salam. Xavier Mascam. Yes, in Africa we give thanks to all the community by a fall in Senegal. Chere Chef. Oh yeah. Because in these times we have to talk if we have our open mic. And we keep on saying justice, equality, peace, and love. Because there's no peace without justice, huh? Estamos siempre diciendo justicia, igualdad, paz y amor. Porque no hay paz sin justicia, hey. Damos gracias. Y los que tenemos siempre un micrófono abierto, tenemos que hablar por la verdad, por aquellos que están desfavorecidos. Yes, we have to talk. We are a voice for the less fortunate. The one love, yeah. Yes, the one love. It's cold in Switzerland, eh? But our hearts are warm with the love of the Almighty One. Shalom. Hey! You say, Jah? Beautiful songs. Otra Caledonia. Marcus Gat. Hey! Damos gracias en Cusco, Perú. Bastante. Yes. We are saying no more. Yes, no more. Stop the fake news in Ethiopia. Let Ethiopia free. We say no more. Yes, no more. Stop promoting the violence each one another. Yes, because we are one. You know, we are one. Yes, we say no more Ethiopian love. Yes, Rasdanti, we give thanks for this movement on behalf of Ethiopian freedom. A big tune. Magda Selecta sea a big tune. Damos gracias. Vamos con Hail Him. This is a tune I always have to play when beautiful gatherings like this ones. Yes? Born Spear. African teacher. Yes? Damos gracias. Hail Him. Hail Him.
Hail Him. Hail Him for shelter.
powers. With all the powers, yo.
Healing for protection. Healing for providing. Healing for everything, everything which is good.
Damos gracias por todo lo bueno, por todas sus bendiciones al Altísimo. Damos gracias. Which is good. Yes. For this one we don't have the version. El Flan, they were ready for the version. And I just have the original Born Spear, Helheim. What we can do. We're going to play, we're going with Augustus Paulus.
Yeah.
Yes. Braces toward Dub. David Augustus Paulus. Yes. Baby I. Yes. Damos gracias. Bendito amor. We give thanks. Blessed love. Baby, I love you. Oh, I love you so. I want to say much gratitude in a UK Alpha and Omega sound system. You know this tune. I give thanks. Yes, that is a nice one. Beautiful, beloved Augustus Pablo. Yes. How the name? Braces Towered Up. Yes. What we going with? Solar Dub Records. Tad Hunter. Perilous times. That's what we live in now. In perilous times, but we give thanks for the strength, yes, of the Almighty One. En estos tiempos que estamos viviendo, damos gracias por la fortaleza del Altísimo. En Cusco Reggae Perú, salutaciones. En toda Latinoamérica, en la comunidad de México, el Sound System. Damos gracias, Blessed Love. Yes, Solar Dub Records, Tad Hunter. Peerless Time, Blessed Love. Ay, ay, ay. This is a tune.
Blessed love. It's a perilous time. It's a judgment time. A revelation time. See, the Lord is a light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear?
Unafraid.
Jah is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? So when the wicked come to eat up my flesh, they stumble and fall. In a time of need and desperation, unto Jah I call, singing, Almighty Jah, guide and protect us in this perilous time. Almighty Jah, wolf and leopard, oh, they are very unkind. It's a perilous time, and it's a judgment time, a tribulation time, it's a revelation time. So yet though I walk through the valley of death, Jah is with me, so I don't have to fret. With his rod and his staff, my life he protects from harm and dangers where the wicked man set. He lifts me up whenever I am down. He placed my feet up on a solid ground. I will be grateful to Jah, 'cause he never let me down. Singing, Almighty Jah, guide and protect us in this perilous time. Almighty Jah, wolf and leopard, oh, they are very unkind. It's a perilous time, a tribulation time, oh, this a judgment time, this a revelation time. Oh. It's a tribulation time, yeah, 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 yeah. Judgment time. See, the Lord is our light and our salvation. Who shall I fear? Jah is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? So when the wicked come to eat up my flesh, they stumble and fall. In a time of need,
Yes. We say, Almighty Jah. Yes, unafraid.
blessed love.
Woo! Are we ready for
It's
version?
a perilous time.
Are we ready for
It's
version?
a judgment time.
Yes.
A revelation time. See,
Billy, we ready?
the Lord is a light and my salvation.
Who
Shall I fear? Jah is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid?
I want to say bless up, Randy Man de la comunidad mexicana del Sound System. Bless up, Razonin. We give thanks a big tune, yes. Genesis Tafari in Miami. Enough love and gratitude every time. You know, Ras Judah, gratitude every time. Bless up. David, Marco, damos gracias. Hey, Paulo Andrés, blessed love. Bendito amor. Damos gracias, Lothar. Yes, we give thanks every time. Marek, greetings. David, to the Almighty One, we give thanks every time. Boom, 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 boom. Baseline. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, I.
He
a meditation. Hey, hi mates. Out of cold Switzerland.
A tribulation time.
This is love. Never doubt.
Tribulation time.
One love. I did put again this thing. Kavel, respect, Shirley, greetings, Angel by Fall. Hey! Boom, 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 boom. What we gonna play after? Shirley, bless up, bless up, bless up. Yes, we give thanks. Okay. We have a little, how you call it? A little feedback. But that is like that. Okay. No, this is okay. The delay from the voice suddenly went out and they never put me the delay again, but it doesn't matter. You people, you love my voice the way it is. Not true. Ustedes les gusta mi voz así como es. Ellos ponen su delay después viene el delay cuando ellos empiecen a tocar. No. Serio. Vamos, I'm going to play some tunes from Beloved Abachantiai from the 90s Dope Plate series. Yes? Blood Shanty. More love every time. Falasha Recordings. We start with King of Kings. We start this way. Yes? Run it up, Selectress. Run it up. 90s Dope Plate. Abachantiai. Hey, whoa! Gracias Marta Selecta por abrir este espacio para compartir esta música positiva en todas partes del mundo. Damos gracias a todos los que están transmitiendo, a los que están pasando. Damos muchas gracias. A la comunidad mexicana Dope Sound System damos gracias. Cusco Reggae Perú, damos gracias. Angel by Fall, we give thanks. Mimi, danke vielmal. El plan, muchas gracias. Norsta Cris Electres, gracias. Bendito amor, damos gracias. Hay que agradecer. And I give thanks to all the people who is connected. Always this love. No matter the weather, no matter how cold, we keep on sharing this love and we never give up. Okay? Remember to walk in righteousness with a clean heart, clean thought, and helping hand every time. Recuerden de caminar en rectitud con corazones limpios, mente limpia y una mano dadivosa. Ayudarnos los unos a otros. Help each Yes, Magda Selecta just say I'm gonna play the last tune, and after they are coming, I don't know how they're gonna play after Angel by Fire, Magda Selecta. I'm going with the next one from beloved Avashantiai, Falasha Recordings, Groundation Rock. I love this tune. I love this one. The first time I hear it in the University of Dope, yes, in Pancras, in England, in London. That was so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. 90s Dope Play series, our Shantiai. We give thanks. Groundation Rock. Run it up, Selectress. Billy, El Flan, Bobby Top, Nice Sit Up. Ay, 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 ay. Dice, ya, we give thanks, damos gracias, hey. En México, comunidad mexicana, Sound System, Cusco Reggae Perú, y a todos los que están aquí conectados, damos gracias. Ese love, bendito amor, hey. Oye, Ronaldo. Such a beautiful songs, yes. Our Shantiai Foundation Rock. Are we ready for version? ¿Estamos listos para la versión? Our Shantiai. Ay, ahora sí tiene versión. Para Share Recordings. Our Shantiai will chant more love, gratitude. Ay. Positive vibration. We give thanks to the Most High. Are sharing this positive vibration with I and I data. Yes, I give thanks. Magda Selecta, Angel Viper. I give thanks. Flan, Billy, beautiful ladies here sharing some hot chocolate in the cold. We give thanks. Yes, damos gracias. I give thanks also to Art Freak in Dafe for the strength in this time. Give thanks. Yes? Chere Jeff, na Senegal. Yes? All the Bayefa community motto. Thank you everybody. Muchas gracias a todos. Siempre están ahí conectados. Damos gracias. ¿Sí? Damos gracias. En este tiempo, cada contacto, cada persona es muy importante, cada encuentro es muy importante. Damos gracias, es muy lindo también. Sí, damos gracias por todo, cada actitud amable en este tiempo. Blessed Lord, bendito amor, hey. Damos gracias, Magda Selecta con Top the Com.
Yes, I give thanks and praises. Good evening, people. I and I Magda Selecta Ota Cusco, Perú, transmitiendo desde Suiza. Es una gran alegría estar compartiendo con ustedes. Gracias a la comunidad mexicana del Sound System. Randy Man, give thanks por la invitación, hermano. Here we go with the first tune. We need to back to the roots in this time to tribulation, you know, what a heavy year, you know, but we give thanks for the life. Enjoy the music, enjoy the vibras. I and I Magda Selecta Ota Cusco, Peru, sharing love, life and direct, you know.
How long them think them the attitude from us, eh? What them think? I know same time everything got to reveal. Rastafari silent seal. Let me hear the trumpet sound. Let me hear the trumpet sound. Loud and clear. Spreading your message all around, all around. I know the revolution but how many of us are willing to play a part, play a part? We will be fighting for a righteous cause, picking up where our ancestors have left off. So, calling all you now, you're being and all the Bobo Shantae. I'm calling all you 12 tribes. We gonna need your strength in the giant times. Calling on you Orthodox. No time to see it and relax. Cause now we know the fact. We gonna erase those paradox. Let me hear the trumpet sound. Let me hear the trumpet sound. Loud and clear. Spreading your message all around and round. Cause here I come, here I come. Another righteous soldier come feed chant them down. Here I come, here I come. Burning them with our hand to sound. What is hidden from the wise and prudent is now revealed to the babes and sucklings. No longer the truth can be concealed. No, gonna be revealed. It is written on the walls of the pyramids. All the facts of our history.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Their system of belief.
Original music en la casa. Once again. Comunidad mexicana, the sound system, unity of the diversity.
They have tried to obliterate our race, but we have made it through by Jah grace. Still it's not over yet. My people stop and check. Here I come, here I come. Another righteous soldier come feature. Here I come, here I come. Holding on with our hand. Here I come, here I go, here I go. Just to chant them down. Let me hear the trumpet sound. Loud and clear. Spreading your message all around, Let me hear the trumpet sound. Let me hear the trumpet sound. Loud and clear. Spreading your message all around.
Yes, I. Let's go con la original version. Original version, la classical tunes. Yeah, man, power.
I know same time everything got to reveal. Rastafari. What is hidden from the wise and prudent is now revealed to the babes and suckling.
Greetings and love para toda la gente que está en la transmisión. Cusco Reggae Music, Nursta Chris, Casa.
Not to mention all the lies, sing your team alive.
What a nice session. Last session of the year. On direct. Saludo para Cartago, desde aquí, Zurich.
Jaja do me right, Jaja bring me light. Living in the world, happy find a way to go. Jaja do me right, Jaja bring me light. Living in the world, happy find a way to go.
Jah guide thy feet when I man walk. Jah guide thy lips before I talk. Jah shine the light when the place get dark. This world is an ocean that protect us from shark. The Lord is my light and salvation. Then whom shall I fear? He then come to eat up my flesh, Rasta, and then burn and disappear. Yeah.
Jaja do me right, Jaja bring me light. Living in the world, happy find a way to go. Jaja do me right, Jaja bring me light. Living in the world, happy find a way to go.
Them wicked Jah, them sell them soul for bling bling, silver and gold. Now them go join vampire patrol. The innocent, them want come old. But the do I walk to the valley of the shadow of death. I fear no wicked people. Jah is in full control, see? So I fear no evil.
Jaja do me right, Jaja bring me light. Living in the world, happy find a way to go. Jaja do me right, Jaja bring me light. Living in the world, happy find a way to go.
Jamaica is strong, Jamaica is weak.
Yes, I. Jaja, do me right.
Give thanks a place.
The right thing to be
Give
this
thanks
time.
to
You know.
I man eat.
What a big tune. Here we go con la original version. Presentarles a El Flan desde este planeta Tierra. Yaman. Yes, what a big pleasure to be here, sharing the energies. I want to introduce my big brother, Ja Melody, out of Dakar, Senegal. Yes, all the energy of the lions. Yeah, man. All respect for all the people who enjoyed for more than 1.5 hour our small and with a lot of love session this beautiful night. Last session maybe of the year. The next year coming soon many good things. Yeah, man. Stay in tune. We share love, good energies. I and I Magda Selecta out of Cusco, Peru. And now Ja Melody in a session.
Such a natural mystic, blowing through the air. It's a natural mystic blowing through the air. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. This could be the first trumpet. Might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer. Many more will have to die. Don't ask me why. Things are not the way they used to be. One and all got to face reality now. Though I try to find the answers to all the questions asked, still I know it's impossible to go living through the past. Don't tell no lie. There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. Can he come down? If you listen carefully now, you will hear. Such a natural mystic blowing through the air. Such a natural mystic blowing through the air. This could be the first trumpet. Might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer now. Many more will have to die. Don't ask me why. There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. I won't tell no lie. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. Such a natural mystic blowing through the air. Such a natural mystic blowing through the air. Such a natural mystic blowing through the air. I said it's blowing, it's blowing, it's blowing, blowing through the air. Such a natural mystic blowing through the air. Such a natural mystic blowing through the air.
The life of man, we
guide us, guide us, guide us.
Yes, sir. What a nice session. Hoy día domingo 20 del 2021. Un gran saludo para Ricardo. Llaman. Para toda la gente ahí, hermana, que está disfrutando también. Shooting Stand Up into the name of the Jah Rastafari. What a nice session! Yes, sir. Billy in the guitar out of Switzerland. Yeah, man. Billy in the guitar. What a big pleasure. Billy out of Switzerland, you know. All the feeling. La melody, la selection, live and direct. Nuestra actriz en la casa. Last tunes of the night. See you next time. Last tunes of the night. Yeah, man. You need to hear this big tune. Last tunes of the night. Últimos temas de la noche.